I'm Josh Shives.
And I'm Cassie Shives, and we're the founders of Raeco Realty.
And we wanted to shoot this right here, on the dock, Lake Freeman in the background, because this is a special place to me.
Josh's life has always been this triangle: Lafayette, Carroll County, and Monticello. His mom lived in Lafayette, his dad in Carroll County, and his heart, a big part of it, has always been on this lake.
It's true. When we started Raeco, we didn't go in with the goal of building offices everywhere. We did it because we wanted to build a local brokerage that actually lived and gived in the communities we served.
That's always been the heartbeat: community first. Our first office was Lafayette, then Delphi, and that was an easy choice because Josh's roots in Carroll County run deep.
They go way back, all the way to Frazee Ford and Flora. That little dealership in Carroll County history was part of my family's legacy, so opening in Delphi was personal. My dad's still in the area, and I've spent so much of my life there.
And now, Monticello feels like the next natural step.
We've been talking about this move for a long time. It's not impulsive, it's been on the roadmap. We only grow when it feels right and when we have the right people to grow with, and now we do.
The agents joining us in Monticello, they live here, they know the community, and more importantly, they believe in what Raeco stands for.
We don't just open an office and hope for the best. We partner with the places we show up in. We give our time, we give our dollars, and we fill the gaps in the community. That's what we do.
For us, Monticello isn't just an expansion. It's one of the places Josh has always considered home, and now Raeco does too.
So in the coming weeks, look for an announcement, a grand opening, as we open an office right here in Monticello, Indiana. We're Raeco Realty,
And we're splashing